Today we're exploring an absolute titan of perfumery, the 1999 classic Dior J'adore Eau de Parfum, crafted by the legendary master perfumer Callus Becker. I mean, you probably already know it's widely regarded as literally one of the most iconic modern floral perfumes out there. It's a total staple of luxury, housed in that instantly recognizable gold amphora-inspired bottle with the elegant, elongated neck. Honestly, it's a masterpiece before you even spray it. Unpacking the scent profile. Let's dive right into the visceral experience of this elegant, floral, fruity composition. Right off the bat, for the first 15 minutes or so, you get this gorgeous burst of bright pear and peach, along with just a slight citrus sparkle. Then, over the next 4 hours, it transitions into this rich, lush heart. We're talking creamy tuberose, jasmine, and an incredibly elegant rose bouquet. And finally, once you cross that 4-hour mark, it dries down beautifully. You're left with a smooth cedar, a really soft musk, and just a hint of vanilla. It's so clean and so incredibly smooth.
Performance, longevity, and sillage. Now that we know what it smells like, how does this beautifully blended scent actually wear throughout the day?
What's really interesting here is its projection rating of 7.5 out of 10. For the first couple of hours, J'adore is moderately strong, pushing out about 1 to 2 meters, but it never shouts, you know? It pairs that with a very refined 7 out of 10 Sillage. That means it leaves this elegant little trail when you walk past someone, rather than some dramatic room-clearing cloud. After about 5 hours, it settles really nicely into a close-to-the-skin scent. Now, let's talk longevity, which scores a very solid 8 out of 10. You're generally looking at 6 to 8 hours on the skin and a massive 8 to 12 plus hours on clothing. Seriously, if it gets in your hair, it's often going to last until the very next day. But I do have to give you a quick heads up based on our sources. Recent reformulations perform just a bit more softly than the older bottles, so keep in mind your mileage might vary slightly, depending on your local climate and, of course, your own skin chemistry. Even with that little caveat, though, it boasts a massive 9 out of 10 compliment factor. And why is that? Well, the community consistently describes it as clean, sophisticated, luxurious, and just unapologetically feminine. People definitely notice it, and they absolutely love it. Is J'adore for you? We know it performs well, but is it the right addition to your vanity? When we look at the ideal wearer, J'adore offers some incredible versatility. It's a 5-star choice for spring and summer, acting as the perfect everyday luxury that just shines in mild to warm weather. And it transitions completely effortlessly. We're talking from the office, straight to weddings. It is ideally suited for mature professionals, typically 25 and up, who are looking for a highly polished signature scent. Let's quickly weigh the pros and cons here. On the pro side, it's clear. This is an elegant, high-quality, incredibly versatile, office-friendly modern classic. But you do have to juxtapose that against some practical consumer cons. It carries a premium luxury price tag. The projection is definitely on the restrained side if you're someone who loves a bold, loud fragrance. And again, those recent reformulations are noticeably softer. Now, if you're really drawn to that sophisticated white floral profile but want to explore some other celebrated options before pulling the trigger, there are a few fantastic alternatives. You might want to check out luxury heavy hitters like Chanel Coco Mademoiselle, Giorgio Armani My Way, Lancôme Idol, or Yves Saint Laurent Libre. But getting back to J'adore, the crucial takeaway here is this final overall rating, an exceptional 9.2 out of 10. It just remains a beautifully balanced benchmark in modern perfumery, seamlessly blending that fruity freshness, lush florals, and a polished, musky base. Which leaves us with a final thought to ponder. With its timeless elegance, that totally exquisite bottle design, and its incredible versatility, is Dior J'adore the gold standard for your signature scent? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer today. I really hope this breakdown helped you understand the beautiful mechanics behind the magic in that iconic little bottle.